Hello cousins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Big Mama Cooks and here I make mom level recipes made easy and I air fry them too. Today's air fryer recipe is going to be a surprise. This is air fryer peach cobbler. I bet you didn't think you could make this in your air fryer. Well, you sure can, and it's an easy recipe to make. Right before we get into it, I'd like to let you know that I own and use a 7-quart Power XL air fryer. If you're interested, I have it linked below. Our stars of the show are going to be a bottle of sliced peaches and cake box mix, either yellow or white. And I'll be making my peach cobblers and some ramekins because these are oven safe, but you can definitely also use muffin tins. I have my ramekins listed in my Amazon shop if you're interested in these too. I'm adding just 1 tablespoon of peach syrup into each ramekin. If you add too much syrup, then it becomes too soggy. And I'm also going to add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon to my peaches. Then I'm going to go ahead and cover my peaches with my cake box mix. All you're going to do is add 3 to 4 tablespoons of dry cake mix to the top of your peaches, and you're going to pat it down to cover the entire surface. Yes, this is going to create a delicious sweet crust. Then to this, I'm going to add a couple cubes of sliced butter. All I did was cut up a stick of butter, and I'm going to add a couple cubes to the top of it. Then I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon and some extra brown sugar to the top so we can have that extra sweet crust. And this is going to go into our preheated air fryer at 325 for 22 minutes. 325 for 22 minutes. While that's in there, I'm going to plug in my ebook. I have an air fryer ebook, 65 recipes for $25. At the end of those 22 minutes, when you pull out your air fryer basket, you have now a beautiful, what a gorgeous crust, peach cobbler. I'm going to let this cool for a whole 20 minutes because this was burning hot. Do you see the smoke? All I did was add some powdered sugar to the top of it because, you know, you need it to look good for Instagram. And this was absolutely delicious. I dug in after the 20 minutes. It was still hot after 20 minutes, but this was bomb. I hope you enjoyed this video, cousin. Don't forget to hit like, don't forget to subscribe, and grab my ebook below.